Hello, in this video we want to explain about starting two electric motors, one instead of the other. The power circuit is similar to two electric motors, but the common circuit is wired with PLC here. And we control the common circuit using PLC. In this program, we want the Y0 output to be activated when the X1 input is activated. When input X3 is activated, output Y1 is activated and output Y0 is deactivated. So this contact opens and this output is disabled. Now we want to run the same program on the board so that you can fully understand. Now on the panel door, if we activate the X1 input, the Y0 conductor will be activated. This conductor is activated. Now we can disable the output by using the stop input. Again, if we activate the X1 input, the Y0 conductor will be activated. Using this input, we want this conductor to be activated and this conductor to be deactivated. When this contactor is activated, this contact opens and deactivates the first contactor. As you can see, this contactor is deactivated and this contactor is activated. By using this input, this contactor is activated. When we activate this input, this contactor is deactivated and this contactor is activated. Activating this contactor causes this conductor to be deactivated. When this output is activated, this contact opens and the electricity doesn't reach the Y0 conductor coil. As you can see, the volume of wiring was greatly reduced and only the wiring input and output should be done. And many of the complexities, the conductor circuit will be solved using PLC. You just connect two wires to the coil of the conductor and exit them. And you activate or deactivate these bobbins using the program you put in the PLC. If you have a question about this topic, you can write a question in the comments of this video. Thanks.